Hello, I am down with Stan and he's in the FENDT 936 Vario, and on the back is a Lemken Diamant 11 plough. Up he comes at the end of the run. He will drop the press, lift the plough, and then Stan will do a figure of 8, a loop round, so he can then pick up the press on the way back. And then the press goes back over the land that's just been ploughed, consolidating that back down to keep the moisture in, and it also levels up the ground. So thank you as always for watching, and I will see you on the next video.